In this video, I will provide you with a few ideas to build some type of a porch or patio roof cover over a patio that you have like this. Now, this was sent to me, a question was emailed to me, and the individual's porch comes out a little further. I will provide you with some examples of that towards the end of the video, but I wanted to cram as many roof ideas as I could in here for this one particular situation. So we have a gable roof off of here. It's kind of difficult. You're thinking, how would you build a roof for something like this? Well, let's go ahead and get started and see how. Here's our first example, and kind of the software that I'm using created this type of roof here, but again, thought I would throw it in there to give you some ideas. Here's another one. We have a full gable coming off, and this would just simply require building another roof to die into this. So you would just extend this part of the roof up and then come down. And this could be a difficult roof to do, or I don't want to say a difficult roof to do, but it could have some difficulties depending upon the ridge height here. So it might be a little higher. If you build something like this, might be a little higher than your ridge, your back ridge, and of course the roof would have to slope down if that's the case from the back of the ridge. If the front ridge was a little higher, it would just need to die into the other roof. This roof would probably be the most economical roof to build, and of course you could raise or lower this if needed. I've seen people, if you have the room, they will just go underneath their existing roof, but that would be, the slope of this depends upon whether or not you're going to be able to get away with that. I've seen a lot of people do this, and they slope the roof out and pretty soon run out of headroom, and people are going to be ducking to come underneath the porch there, so that won't be a good idea. But again, something like this, as long as you got the headroom, something like this might work. Now, if we come out a little further, it might look something like this. And in order to get the headroom for something like this, the farther you come out, then the farther back up the roof is going to go, because it's going to be starting at the, or if it starts at the same point, I should say, the longer the roof would be. So if this comes out, this right here will be raising. So you could actually raise it above this point. And if you have the room to change the slope of this section, then you could probably make that work. Here's one that might look a little nicer, kind of a double gable there. And this really is a good way to spruce up the front of your house if you split up your roofs like this. And our last example just kind of wrapped a hip around here. This might work for you also. So anyway, hope this provides you with a few more ideas for your next porch building project.